paradigm that we talked about, there's the toxicity piece and what's the chemical doing, and then there's the exposure piece. And I think for PFAS, the science around exposure and how people come into contact with these and interact with them, I think is one of the biggest drivers of why there's so many presentations and conversations going on about PFAS right now, because it's a diversity problem. There's a huge diversity of these PFAS chemicals. They have a diversity of chemical properties when they interact with the environment, which means they're in a diversity of environmental media that we have to assess. So this isn't like maybe say 1,4-dioxane or some other chemicals where we might say, okay, if you have relatively low levels, this is probably a groundwater problem. If you can manage the groundwater, you have control over this and the main exposure pathways and human health risk. I think
in ecological risk assessment, we deal with a variety of species. The species not only span the same category, for instance, like mammals, you might have a mink, a meadow vole, even bats, but also to broader types of receptors like fish, amphibians, soil invertebrates, plants, heck, even mollusks we've had to deal with. So as you see, there's a whole set of another set of complexities that you have to deal with on the ecological side.